Now, this, people, is the May 2021 CSEC mathematics paper. And we're going to discuss the solutions to this paper in the Jamaican language. Alright? So, we are question 1A right now. Start it off. Now, remember, what I want to know first is pause the video them and try the question when we tell you now. Like I'm going to tell you right now. What I want you to do is pause the video and try this question. But first, remember, we put some examination tips in terms of answering the question and make sure so time no run out for you. Alright? Put them kind of thing there. You don't want separate video. I'm going to point to the what you call the description of this video. But remember say what you see in the past paper now it going to come back, So it's important that you understand the principle behind the solution of the question. Alright? And I just say you're going to swap the question. You have to understand it. So, we start off with this thing. Question 1A. It says using a calculator or otherwise calculate the exact value of. Let me kind of zoom in on this thing. Alright, good. You see it close up. 147 divided by 2/3 minus 157. So, go right ahead and answer this. Pause the video and see if you can answer it for me there. Alright, you pause the video and answer it. I remember I said to you, if you see me make any mistake, you point it out in the comment section. Alright? Now, carefully look on this. This part here is a division. In any case, I come first in the question and then your minus. So you have to have the division. You have to do the division first before you do the minus. Now you have 147. What you have yourself is a mixed fraction. So you have the whole number mixed up with the fraction. So remember what you do now? You say 7 times 1. 7 times 1 are 7. 7 plus 4 are 11. So what you have is 11 seventh. And that you have 11 seventh divided by 2/3 minus. So you have 7 times 1 are 7. 7 plus 5 are 12. 12 7. So you turn them in a improper fraction. Right? With the numerator up at top bigger than the denominator down at top. Now, you remember what to do here, so. You're really going to say 11 7 divided by 2/3 are the same as 11 7 multiplied by 3 halves. 3/2. You see? We soon come back to the 12/7. Why kind of leave it off, but try remember, so we have to come back to it later on. So just work out this apart. 11 7 multiplied by 3/2. So top by top over bottom by bottom. 11 3s, that are 33 up at top, over 7 2s, that are 14 on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to put on back the 12/7 now. So we have you minus, it's a minus 12 over 7, it's a minus 12 over 7. So we put it on back now. You see? And then, I wonder if I have enough space down here so. Alright. What I'm going to do is draw a line right here so and continue over to the right. Alright? Let me change back my color, put it to the black. Now, here, what you have? 33 over 14 minus 12 over 7. So 33, 14 minus 12 sevenths. One of the things you can do, you can draw the line and find the LCM, but make we use common denominators. We want something over 14. So you have 33, 14 minus something else 14, you just minus the two number them. Alright, up at top. So, this now, if you multiply the 7 by 2, you get the 14 what you want. But you must come up yourself and multiply the 12 by 2 too. So 12 2 is 24. Good. So if you have 33 14 minus 24 14, how much you get? Well, it look like a 9 14. You see? So you have a 9 14. Remember, you know, 33 or anything, and you take away 24 are the same thing, give you 9 8. If you have 33 apple and you take out 24 apple, you have 9 apple left. So you have 33 14 minus 24 14, you have 9 14 left. Right? Now, that is why you have this one. Am I right with that? Now, see the next question. Alright, so I have to go zoom out with this one. Now, I have to go just rub out to what we have here so you see the question clearly. Right? It said, when Megan started working, she was paid $85 each week. You see that? $85 a week. So, let me say $85 per week. Alright. After a 6-month probationary period, her pay was increased. So then give her a raise of pay. So, increase by how much? 20%. How much was she paid each week after the increase? Alright. So, what them I say is, how much pay she start get now after she get the increase? Now remember say at $85 a week she da get before. So, how much more? Alright. So we want to see how much more she get now. 20 per mean out of, cent mean 100. 20% off mean you multiply. 20% off 85. So you calculate that. That one give you how much then jack what you pay by now. So you say 20 into 21, how much 20 have in a 105. So this gives you 85 over 5. We're going to see if we can do this without the calculator now. 5 to 5, 1. 5 into 8, how much? 5 you have in a 8. 1. Remainder, 3. 5 into 35, 7. So $17 more. She'll get $17 more. You see? So now, the new pay, how much pay shall I get now? At the old pay, $85 plus the new pay, $17 equal how much? So if, let me try to do it without the calculator. 85, 17, although in our exam, you know. You just do it with the calculator quick because you have limited time ago. But right now, I know exam winner. 7 and 5, how much? 12. So, bring down the 2, carry 1. 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10. $102 should I get. Alright? So you see that? Should I get $102 as our new pay. Alright, so that is that. Shall I make a note of that? Now, let me see. Why is them say so? Alright. Part C of question 1. Let me erase all of this. All of this thing, them have here, so. Now, what them say? In 1965, the population of country A was 2,714,000. In 2015, the population was 3,663,900. And them say A. Write the population for 2015 correct to 3 significant figures. Alright, do it. Do it, let me see. Alright, you write it down. Now, 2015, 3 significant figures. Remember, the population you look on at 3,663,900, and they said to 3 significant figures. Now remember, say the first significant figure you see are the first non-zero digit as you look from left to right. Alright? So if they may put some 0 over here, so them would make no sense. They wouldn't significant. You could have just rub them out. Because them only a whole space. The first digit where you see significant are the 3. First significant figure. Second significant figure are the 6 here, so. And then the third significant figure are the 6. They say 3 significant figures, so you're going right now. Now, remember the first significant figure them are 366. But you can't go and tell nobody there are 366 people living in a country, you know. You have to show the size of the number. If a 3 million odd, when you round off, it must be 3 million odd. You must be million. Right? Or close to 3 million odd. So, what you have now? You have to fill in the 0 with the 3 there, the 0 with the 9 there, and the 2 0. So, what you have? 3,660,000 or 3.66 million. But that are the population to 3 significant figures. Hope so that one did right. Right? Alright. So, if I know that you did right, you see it now. Now, the thing is, them say, write the population in 1965 in standard form. 1965 population in a standard form. I know that go again. 1965 are the 2,714,000. You're going to write in a standard form. Write that in a standard form now. Alright, you pause the video already and write in a standard form. Remember, some more I want to practice this thing, you know. Now, Remember, say standard form, the way they write in a standard form. You have the first digit 1 or 0, the point, and the next digit them 714. Now, but I write them 0 there. Then, remember, say if you want 2.714, go back to 2,714,000. You have to multiply by a number. But you now go say multiply by, and then you have one and some zeros. You're going to have 10 to a certain power. Now tell me something. 2.7 add million. No, 2.7 add to 2.7 million. You're going to have to multiply by a million. So 1 million at 10 to the 6th power. So that's how you go. 2.714 by 10 to the 6th. You see? Alright. Make we scroll up and see what else them say. Them say determine the percentage increase in the population from 1965 to 2015. Alright. The percentage increase you want. 1965, then say 2,714,000. So, in 1965, 2,714,000. How much in 2015 again? In 2015, 3,663,900. Alright. So, that's 3,663,900. Good. Now, you want the percentage increase. Remember now, when you say percentage increase from one to the next, you have to do the right thing when you have to calculate the percentage. Remember, this are the figure fit. Call it A and call it B. Now, when you have A increase to B, it's going to be how much in A minus B, right, over A. It's like here say, suppose the population added 10 and then the population increased by 50%. By half, that would have a 15. So you just say 15. Oh, me say A minus B, or B minus A. Since I increase, B minus A. Let me adjust this again. Let me just see it. A B minus A. So let me redo this apart now. And the new one B minus A, right, over the original A. Because if you have this are A and this are B, B are 15 minus 10 over what? The original 10. Because a 15 minus 10 are 5 over 10. That's a half. 0.5. That's a 50%, right? So now put it over B. Now say at the big number minus the small number over the big number. You must put it over the whole number. The smaller number. The whole number. Original number. So you must put over the original. So in this case now, you're going to say the 3,663,900 minus the 2,714,000 over the original 2,714,000. You know, I go put it over the 3,663,900. You put it over the 2,714,000. You see? Remember, I say, we are discuss this thing thoroughly, you know, and go through this step and so on, even though I pass paper. Rush it like when we in our exam. And the exam winner. Alright, so when you do this, let me just do a quick thing with the calculator and done. So what you have a 366,900 minus 2714,000 equal over 2714,000 equal. I have 0.35. So this is 0.35. And then you say 0.35 times 100 give you 35%. So it increased by 35%. So you see that? Alright. We're going to continue with part D in one different video.